Welcome to the Smart Series Service Tech training video. This video will cover the Pregis AirSpeed Smart. The Pregis AirSpeed Smart series requires minimal effort to unpack and assemble. First, carefully remove all contents from the box. The contents will include one smart machine, one power cord, and 2 spare Teflon belts. For tabletop installations, position the smart machine on the pack station or on the area where the unit is to be operated. Ensure the area has adequate space for operators to load film. Next, insert the power cord into the power inlet module at the back of the smart machine. Plug in the power cord into a 120-volt outlet. Avoid plugging the machine into multiple extension cords and surge protection strips. Turn on the power switch at the back of the smart machine. The smart machine can be mounted to various types of floor stands, carts, and overhead systems. These installations will be reviewed in another video module.